Question number 5. So these questions, by reading we will understand. After understanding, we will draw the picture.
Okay, sir.
After drawing the picture, we can understand what should we do to find the answer. Sometimes addition, sometimes subtraction, like that. Okay. And
Okay,
here,
sir.
so the question number 5 is: if you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Ramija's house and then their school. I think you are understanding.
Yes. Yes.
If you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Ramija's house and then their school. Means, can you say the order in order whose houses are? First, whose house is there? First, Sana house. Okay, Sana house. Then next to what will come?
Ramija.
Very good, Ramija house. Then next what is there?
School.
So like that we are going to
School.
draw the picture like this. By picture, by understand, we can understand like that. Next, what has given to us, you see? Sana's house is 2 kilometers, 345 meters from school. What do you understand?
From school. From house to school. 2 kilometers.
345 meters. From where to where? Sana house to school. Sana house to school. Is from where? Here to here.
Yes.
From here to here. How much distance is there? 2
2
kilometers,
kilometers, 345 meters.
Okay, next. One more what has given? From school and Ramija house is 1 kilometer, 650 meters. Means what is the meaning of this?
From
Ramija house to school. From Ramija house to school. Means from here to here.
650 centimeters.
650
centimeters.
meters. So this is the picture. Totally from the textbook you have understand this.
Yes.
There is first Sana house, next to Ramija house, next to school. Then Sana house to school, 2 kilometers, 345 meters. From Ramija house to school,
1 kilometer, 650 meters.
is totally problem. Whatever is given here, we understood and we have drawn the picture for them. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. After drawing the picture, then finally one question is there. What is the question? You know, what is the distance between Sana and Ramija house? What is the distance between Sana and Ramija? Means what you have to find now? So what you have to find now?
Subtract.
What you have to find first after? So means from here to here, Sana house to Ramija house. So from here to here, how much is there? You have to find.
1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, 650.
Answer that question. Try to understand. We have to find this, no?
Yes.
Which one? Sana house to Ramija house. How much distance is there? You have to find.
Yes.
Okay. So what you have to do means somebody can understand subtraction. You have to do same. But somebody maybe did not understand up to now. You see here, I will give here big numbers are there. No, that's why you are confusing. Same picture I am writing in another way. Then you say what is the answer will come.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Same Sana house is here, Ramija house is here, school is here. And Sana house to Ramija house, 10 kilometers distance is there.
Okay. Okay.
Ramija house to school, 4 kilometers distance is there. Then Sana house to Ramija house, how much distance is there? 6 kilometers. Easily you said. Why did you do? How did you do answer? 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. That answer you have to make. So means what you have to do like this problem? Subtraction. You have to do. So here also what should we do?
Subtraction.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
Here to here 10. Here to here 4. This is remaining how much means how do you do? You should do the subtraction. So we are doing subtraction. So now first here what you should take? First you have to take bigger one, no, this one no.
Yes.
What is this?
12.
What is this? That's why I am writing here what? Distance from
Sana house to
school is equal to how much you know? You write it. Next one, what you are writing? This distance you are writing now.
Yes.
What is that? Distance from house to school. Then what are you going to find here?
Subtraction.
Okay, but what are you going to find?
2 kilometers.
What are you finding? Distance from Sana's house to Ramija's house. So then what should we do? You know that you are doing total.
Subtraction.
How do you find answer? So write the steps. Okay, this is the fifth one. Now I am going to explain the sixth one. Listen. Listen everyone. Question number 6. A tailor uses 3 meters 10 centimeters of cloth to stitch one coat. How much cloth does he require to stitch 4 coats? What should we do? He is using some cloth for one coat. For 4 coats, how much cloth we have to use? What should we do? You say multiplication. Why are you not giving answer? You know cost of one apple 20 rupees. What is the cost of 4 apples? Means what should we do? Multiplication only we will do now. First 2 chapters you have learned like that only, no? When you know the cost of one thing, if you are finding cost of more things, what should we do? We should do the multiplication. Here also it is like this only, no? We know the cloth required for one coat. Cloth required for so we know like this. Cloth required for one coat. How much? How much cloth? 3 meters 10 centimeters. Now what are you going to find?
4
Cloth required for 4 coats. Means you know for one, you are finding for 4. Then what should we do? We should do the multiplication. So what you have to do? This one you have to take and you should multiply with 4. Can you multiply?
Yes.
How say?
4 zeros are 0.
4 zeros are 0.
4 ones are 4.
4 ones are 4. If carry come, we will take here. Next 4 threes are
12.
so means what you will say 12 meters
12 meters 40 centimeters.
Okay, remember that when you know for one, if you are finding for more, what should we do? We have to do the multiplication. Okay, don't do. 7th one also I will explain after this. Okay, 7th one. You see here there is one board. The board is showing the distances.
Yes.
Just we will try to see that and we will draw the diagram further. So first where we are? We are at Hyderabad. We are at Hyderabad. The board is in the Hyderabad. What What is given there? Vijayawada 284 kilometers. Kodada 162 kilometers. Suryapet 120 kilometers. Means what do you understand from that?
Kilometers.
You watch here. Here you watch. He is watching from Hyderabad and he is checking that board. The board is written as Vijayawada 284 kilometers, Kodada 162 kilometers, Suryapet 120 kilometers is there. Means what we have understand from that board I am asking. Very good. From Hyderabad to Suryapet 120 kilometers distance is there. From Hyderabad to Kodada 162 kilometers distance is there.
From
From Hyderabad to Vijayawada 284 kilometers distance is there. That is the meaning. No, first which we have to take in the map?
Suryapet.
First we are from Hyderabad. No.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. This is the Hyderabad. First what will come?
Suryapet.
First Suryapet will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what is the distance from Hyderabad to Suryapet?
120 kilometers.
120 it is. So this distance is how much? 120 kilometers. Now what will come? 162. Means from here to here 162. From here to here 162. From Hyderabad to Kodada now. That's what it will show. We will show like this now. This is how much? 162 kilometers. After that what will come? Vijayawada will come. So Vijayawada is 284 kilometers. From where? From here. So from Hyderabad to Vijayawada 284 kilometers. This is the picture we will draw from using this board. You understand this board?
Yes.
And you are saying that sir we are traveling from Hyderabad. First we will touch the Suryapeta. Next Kodada will come. Next Vijayawada will come. That's why you have drawn the map like that. First Hyderabad, Suryapeta, Kodada, Vijayawada. And you know that from Hyderabad to Suryapet 120 kilometers. From Hyderabad to Kodada 162 kilometers. From Hyderabad to Vijayawada 284 kilometers. Now here different questions are. What is the first question? How much distance has to travel from Hyderabad to Vijayawada? First question. What is the first question? Distance from Hyderabad to Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Can you say answer? 284 kilometers. This is direct question. You can answer it. This is the first one. Don't be busy. What is the second question? Which distance is more? Suryapet to Kodada or Kodada to Vijayawada? How can you say like that? You know the distance Suryapet to Kodada, how much is there? Do you know?
42.
Here to here, how much is there? Do you know? You don't know. You have to find it now. Without finding, how can you say the answer? What are you finding here? Two distances you are finding. Which distances you have to make? Which distance you have to find? Suryapet to Kodada. So means what are you finding here? Distance from Suryapet to Kodada. Suryapet to Kodada. We have to find this first. Then one more distance you have to find. What is one more distance? Kodada to Vijayawada. So distance from Kodada to Vijayawada. You don't know these answers. You have to find it. Then after you have to say which is more. Is it or not? Do you know answers?
No.
This distance, do you know?
No.
So can you find it?
No.
How do you find?
Addition.
What you have to add?
120 kilometers.
120.
162
If
kilometers.
you add it, you will get it.
No. Subtraction.
If you add these two, you will get this.
No. Subtraction.
Subtraction, no. You see this, here to here 162,
Yes.
here to here 120. This is how much means what should we do? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction, no.
Yes.
Means what you will do? 162 minus 120. If you take, you will get this, no.
Yes.
This one together, this one. Means from here, if you subtract this, you will get this, no.
Yes.
Just now I said to example, here to here 10, here to here 6. This is how much means what you will say? 4 you will say. Why do you say 4? Because 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Means what you subtract here? 162 minus 120. How much? 482. What are you going to do? Subtraction. 162 minus 120. How much will come?
42.
What, Karthik? What happened? 162 minus 120. 2 minus 0.
2.
6 minus 2.
4.
1 minus 1.
0.
Means what you got it?
42.
Then why are you confusing? 42 kilometers. Next one. Kodada to Vijayawada. Do you know answer? Kodada to Vijayawada?
No.
We don't know.
No.
Means which one? This one you have to find.
Kodada to Vijay.
So how do you find this?
200.
This is also you will do by subtraction only. How you know? See this. Full one 284. Up to here 162. This is remaining, no? You see, from here to here 284. From here to here 162. Remaining you want to find. Means you have to find subtraction. Means what numbers you have to take? 284 minus 162. So subtract it. 284 minus 162. Subtract. 2. 1. So how much? 122 kilometers. 122. You found that this is 42 came for you. This is 122. Now you say which distance is more? Suryapet to Kodada more or Kodada to Vijayawada more? So we will write answer. Kodada to Vijayawada is more. Okay. Okay. Last question. Huh? What is the last one? What is the distance between Suryapet to Vijayawada? Distance from Kodada to Vijayawada. So you see here, Kodada to Vijayawada. That one, sorry sir, Suryapet. Suryapet to Vijayawada. From where? Here to here. These answers you can add now. Suryapet to Kodada, you know. Kodada to Vijayawada, we know. If you add these both, you will get it now. From here to there means this one, that one you can add. What is this answer? 42 plus 122 is equal to 164 kilometers. Okay, do you understand? Huh? So now time completed. You do one thing. I will take the photo.